Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all Aunty Naz's peas dal. Aunty Naz shared her recipe with me to share with all of you. So Aunty Naz, if you're watching, thank you so much for this recipe. We're going to start in our skillet or your pot with some oil, and to that I already put in some fenugreek seeds and some cumin seeds. We're going to toast that on a low heat until it's dark brown in color. And then I'll go in with a few curry leaves. Be careful when you throw them in because they pop and you can get burned with the oil. Next we're going to go in with our aromatics. So chopped onions and pimento peppers. And we're going to saute. Yes, I use a lot of pimento peppers. Saute until tender and fragrant and the onion is translucent. And then we'll go in with some chopped scallions, or scythe as we say in Trinidad. And then we'll add in our garlic. I don't like to add the garlic too soon because the garlic will burn, and when it burns it tastes bitter and then it just changes the whole taste of your dish. So I'm doing 2 tablespoons of curry powder. You want to use a mild curry powder. Now you can add less curry powder if you wanted to. So I'm going in with those 2 tablespoons, and I'll also go in with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And we call turmeric powder saffron in Trinidad, and it's not to be confused with saffron shreds. So give that a mix and allow this to toast and get grainy for about 5 minutes. You should have your heat on a low for this because you don't want the curry to burn. Once the curry is grainy, we're going to go in with some water to help the curry cook further. And we're going to allow this to cook until that water evaporates, and the curry, you'll start seeing the oil separating from the curry. So this should take anywhere between 5 to 8 minutes, and this is how it should look. And it should also start getting really thick. Now we're going to go in with our boiled pigeon peas. I don't like using fresh pigeon peas that's not boiled. I don't like the taste of it personally, but if you like it, you can add in that. I always pre-boil my pigeon peas. In goes 1 Tanya or 1 Edos. Now this is Auntie's secret. She said 1 Tanya is going to make this peas dal taste amazing. And I went in with some salt to season. So we're going to let this fry up in here and let the curry coat those pieces and the peas. And then add in enough water to cover it and to cook it. Bring this up to a simmer and allow it to cook until the Tanya or Edos starts to get very, very tender. Once the Tanya or Edos is tender, use the back of your spoon and start mashing down on it. And if your peas dal is really thick, you can thin it out with some hot water. So this is how it should look. If you want it thinner, add some stock or some hot water. So Aunty Naz, thank you so much for sharing your recipe with me. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this recipe. I hope you all try it. Let me know down below what you think. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. And if you have any requests for future video, please leave it in the comments below. Bye everyone.